So we're going to make one of our favorite dishes, mint crusted lamb cutlets with sweet mashed potatoes. We've got our Australian premium lamb cutlets. This is
sweet potato.
And we're gonna turn this into a sweet potato mash. We're gonna make a green salad to go next to it, and it's going to be a fantastic meal. Ready? This is dried mint, and we're actually gonna put a lot of it. We're going to add panko breadcrumbs, mustard as a, what is it called when you stick stuff together in cooking?
Binder.
Yeah, that's exactly right. Fantastic. We're gonna add garlic. So we want the texture of the rock salt, and we want the texture of the pepper. Can you hold this? Hold this in your hand.
Do not trust me with this because I probably would have eaten it.
We're gonna mix this really well. This. Let's smell it.
Oh my God.
We're gonna do this.
Make sure you add not too much, but not too little.
Thanks for that piece of advice.
Demonstration.
Watch. Okay, can you guys do that for me, for the rest of them? We're going to mash these potatoes. So what we did is we boiled these for 30 minutes and then we baked them for another hour, and that way you cut your baking time actually by a significant amount. We're gonna add cinnamon, nutmeg, brown sugar. That, and we're gonna broil the top very quickly.
What does broil mean?
Broil is when the heat on top is really high and it kind of makes like a crust. So we're gonna put this on super high heat. We're gonna put the broiler on until it creates a nice crust, and we're gonna make a green salad. And that's our finished dish. And that is how you make mint crusted lamb cutlets with sweet potato mash and spinach salad.
Wow.